Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this retro metal chess set. I got this item for my son who is into chess. So let's get this opened up and I'll show you what it looks like. This chess set is a great option for any chess enthusiast, whether a professional player or those who are just starting out. It is made of premium quality material with exquisite craftsmanship. It has a combination of natural wood as well as metallic pieces that are long-lasting and durable. I love the chrome and gold chess pieces, which gives a special shine and elegance as well while we are enjoying this. So we can not only use it to play, but it is also a great decorative centerpiece as well. Plus, it has designated slots on the back side to be able to store each individual piece without worrying about them crashing into each other or damaging. If you are in the market for a unique, thoughtful, elegant gift idea, this is definitely worth looking into.